guys, welcome to my channel, and today my name is Adrian. So I am Adis and also Bibis. So hello guys, my name is Anna. My name is pea shooter. My name is a pea shooter, and today
So the plot,
I have a long hair.
So the plot is.
And there he is.
Okay,
Wiggly.
can I talk?
Okay, fine.
So the plot is that this is Jurassic Park,
Okay.
but there's still no people.
Okay.
Dinosaur age.
Yes,
About
dinosaurs.
million years ago.
Yes, million years ago, but I wanna be remember the new videos. Hello, my name's.
Curtin, this is crazy day.
Ayo, hello, Gracie.
My God, what happened to you?
My name is Udo. My name is Adrian.
You can literally do like this.
Ow! I am a chopper.
Wait, you can literally do like this to the plant.
Ayo, Emma. I have a long hair, so I can grab the pea shooter. Let's grab the pea shooter.
Hey, hold. I'm going.
Let's
Okay.
grab the pea shooter, okay? The hair has a ability of there, and this one is a gorilla, so they will just have
Okay.
ability just smash the pea shooter. The smash the pea shooter. They has a ability of smash, and this one they has ability of hairs, and this
Okay.
ability will just wiggle. Okay.
Okay, then.
Dinosaur winner.
Okay. The dinosaur.
Okay.
So the imp rides a
Employee.
dinosaur.
Employee.
Also, by the way.
Hello.
Also, by the way, zombies don't exist in the million years ago, but we're
Million years ago. What the heck?
million.
Yes, million.
But
1 billion.
but we're making this up now. Wait, in PVZ2 they have a dinosaur
Yes.
level. So
Oh no.
probably
I've become 1 billion years
so
old.
probably
Okay.
zombies can exist. So yeah,
I am bad.
normal zombie. Here we go.
Okay. Hello. My name
This
is
unique-
Robert.
okay, this creature- Okay. So this zombie, this creature that is acting like a zombie
Yes.
does do that to this.
Yes. Oh, okay. So this one.
10 more hits and the pea shooter's gone.
Yes. Yes, Kili.
Okay. Now let's start.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Wait.
Ah!
No.
Bruh.
No fast.
Okay.
Or else I won't play anymore.
No.
Wait.
Wait. Let
One.
me just
Two hits and it's dead. Wow.
Haha.
Wait, that's
Okay.
too slow.
Oh no! I've become faster. Oh no! I become faster. Yay!
This.
Okay, Udo. Okay.
No.
Okay, fine.
I hit you again.
Wait.
Again.
Okay,
Okay, start.
Okay, chill. Stop it. Okay,
No.
stop. Please stop. Okay. I'm just I wanna be better.
No miss. This game.
Ow!
This is based on the Pea Shooter arcade. So
I'm going to fall. Oh, I don't feel so good. Oh, good morning, my babies. Oh, what the heck?
let's start.
What the? Did I just glitch? Okay, let's go. Haha.
You already hit. If I hit you, okay. If I hit you 3 times, you die.
Come on, you can do this.
The historic graveyard, go there.
Yes. Okay. Wait.
Now
Let's
now I'm calling zombies prehistoric graveyard.
Okay.
Grave.
Wait. Oh my god. Okay, fine.
No miss.
Haha. Stinky. Haha.
Stop.
Okay, fine. Oh. I think they died.
Oh,
My name is Odo. My
I'm
name
not
is
going to
Odo.
play anymore. You dare.
No. Stop, please.
If you do one singular
I think he passed out.
thing, I'm not going to play
No.
anymore.
No. Stop.
So,
Oh, I'm gonna be
okay, the small ones,
dead.
I hit them 2 times, so because they're babies.
Yes, they're babies.
Ay, wait.
Oh, I died.
Great, that's great. Yes, that's the first
I
thing.
am still alive.
Okay,
I mean,
big zombie first.
Big zombie had 3 times. 1, 2. Yay!
I hit you 1 and you missed. And you
Small
Stop.
beep. Okay, fine. Stop.
zombies don't do that.
Okay. Small. Come on. Okay, fine. Fine. Stop. Stop it. I was speaking as. Oh my god. I was. Come on. Stop. 1, 2. I missed. You missed. 3. Yes,
Patay na ka!
Yes, I survived. Wait a minute. I think the zombie died because of kill.
Okay,
I hate this.
this one I need to hit 10 times.
No. Yes, I'm going to.
Wait, I will nerf it to
Bruh.
5.
No. Okay, fine. Wow. Wait, hold on.
Since these are small,
Come
they
on.
can be hit 1.
Yes, this one they can hit 0. They can hit 0 now, and this one's 1, and this one's 5. Okay, the daddy katos. Can't see me.
I gave it food, plant food.
Come on, eat food. Yummy.
Wait. I gave it plant food. So
I
that
gave it-
means
Hello, mama. Ha, you can't. You miss.
no, I don't.
Oh my god, I have another diet. She's
Okay,
thinking-
finally, one more plant food.
No.
Pretend I have plant food
Okay.
in my mouth, in my hand. Oh.
You stinky. I have.
You're supposed to die.
You eat ano?
You know what? You die standing up.
Okay.
Okay, the smaller ones first.
I'm faster.
So that means it's the hardest zombie then.
Yay! I'm so zombie.
Don't mend. It's a cactus.
My name is Speed. I'm going to speed. Yeah, me too.
Okay, so can we?
Zombie.
Okay.
Okay, this one. Ow! I think she died. Stinky. Stinky. I'm stronger. Stinky.
You ate brain food.
Give me food.
One more. One more hit and you die. Wait,
Come on.
2 hits. 1, 2, you die.
Yes, I did it. Okay,
You
then.
die. I did 2 shots. 2 hits and you die.
Yay! Victory! Okay, let's go.
Don't to me.
Okay.
Are these?
My name is Udo.
1.
No. Oh no. We're
Level
good.
1 this. You can walk now.
Okay. Okay. I wanna win. Please, let me win.
You, then walk then.
Ah. Stinky. I'll survive at
Wait, this
5.
is a repeater.
Haha, Stinky. You
should be 4.
Enemy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ow! I revived. Let's revive.
Wait!
There, I revived. Yay!
Then you have 4 hearts, but you don't have brain.
I wanna have.
Pretend
Oh,
brain.
okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1,
Ow!
2,
Ow!
3,
Ow.
4.
Ow. Dang it, I lost! No! Dang it, guys, so I was
Okay,
being
level
robot,
2.
so I'm gonna
Level 2, dalawa.
be. Okay, I run super
wait.
fast.
No, you hold.
Okay, okay, I will take care of you.
Then I need 5 bullets.
No! 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 Stinky! Stinky,
Okay,
if
you
you
guys
shoot there.
walk. Well,
Okay. I can
Well,
walk
I-
very fast, super fast.
1,
Waha, noob. You only hit the big zombie.
4,
Yes!
5.
You only got a big zombie.
Wait, if I
Oh no! The zombie dead. Haha.
gave it land food.
You hit 1. Then hit me, I guess. Come on, hit me. Hit me. My hands, wait. Why do my hands are just, no, wait. Ow. Stop it.
Okay, that's a bit
Stinky.
Okay,
I wanna eat killies. Yay.
Oh, okay.
Level 3.
Okay.
The big zombie
Wait,
has...
level 3 would be these. And level 4 would be the
Okay,
hardest.
this one is the strongest girl in the world. They has 10 hearts. And this one, they has
Then I'll
9
give it
hearts.
land food.
I wanna eat it.
Those are pea shooter balls. You are turning vegan. Thanks for the extra.
Thank you. Next, level 4.
Wait, no, wait.
Level 4, the strongest girl in the world.
Level 3.
Level 4. Level 3, okay. The strongest girl in the world. How about
Fastest.
how about both?
I gave it more.
How about both, I
I
guess?
gave pea shooter land food, so
Ow! Haha, you miss. Then hit me again. I will run. I will walk faster. Haha. Ow! Ow! Or else.
pea shooter can attack.
I will attack you.
Wait.
Help me.
Since pea shooter
Stinky.
lost.
Haha.
Okay, since
Yes! I win. We only got 1 point.
now we're in
Yes.
level,
Okay, let's
but
try.
one. Wait.
I'm going to fix her because you just punched the ice. Okay. Yeah, I win! The strongest girl in the world. And the strongest man. This one is the strongest man. Let's give him a brain.
That's vegan.
Let's get it, guys, shall we? Let's get it, guys. So anyway, so I need to get the brains. I found the brains. Hey guys, I found the brains. Oh, look at that. It's called 1 billion pounds. 1 billion. 1 billion pounds. Then get the balls, I guess. Here's the brain that you can just eat
Okay.
it. Okay.
Level 3.
Only
Level
they just have 20 hearts.
Level 3.
And they
level
only
3
got
now.
okay, fine. Level 3, the strongest man, the strongest girl. How about both again?
Of course.
Okay. Haha, Stinky.
How many health does it have?
10. Oh, she has 9.
2,
You
3,
Stinky. Haha, Stinky. You
4,
stinky,
5,
stinky, stinky
6,
son of a
7,
nutcracker.
6.
I'm stronger. You can't
7.
defeat me. Yeah, that's
Oh,
right.
shit.
I'm sadness. I'm going to eat it. Now I got a lot, but I got 10. Yeah, I got 9. Then get it if you want. It's stinky. It's stinky. Yes, it's stinky. Yay.
I gave it plant food because
Wait, let me get a stand.
if plant food, that means
Let me get a stand. Wait, let me get a stand, okay? Oh my god, wait. Let me get the stand. So, anyways. Okay. Hey, you stinky. I am Aria, and this is my friend Adriana. You stinky. I'm just feel punch you now. Let's get it. They has 100 hearts, and you got 200 hearts.
but pea shooter
And
win
the zombie has 0 hearts. So sorry.
because we
This
all
one's 1. Sorry. Aha, stinky.
okay level 3 and 4
4, level 4.
combined.
Level 4. The
I gave
strongest
it
one.
strong plant food.
No! Let's give it. Now
It's
I
still
got
stronger.
1,000, and this one is 10. That's okay.
Okay, fine.
Ooh. My name is Sama. Oh.
I win.
Dang it! No!
Pea shooter.
You hit a lot
because the pea balls are now stronger.
because you hit a lot because I am stronger. I have 200 hearts. Haha, I'll eat you.
No, that's
Okay,
I gave it strong plant food.
No! Come on, let's eat again. Okay.
Tapos na.
No! Dang it. You have only got 8. What the heck? Also guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Yes! Oh my god. Bye. Bye. Come on.